Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's flight, we're flying to Sherburn in Elmet. It's about 45 miles. We're estimating today's flight time to be about 50 minutes. We're going to be taking off from Ealand Airfield, heading north, going around the top of Doncaster airspace and then heading straight to Sherburn. Enjoy the flight.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. Fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's flight. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe for more weekly content. Until next time, thanks for watching.